Hey everyone, it's Jeff, and this is a demo of Apptron's Chrome or window skinning functionality. Apptron is a building block that exposes native platform APIs and Webview windows. Among other things, this lets you build UIs using web technologies in platform native windows. But what if we wanted windows that look different from normal native windows? Well, you can turn off the window frame to draw whatever you want inside the window with your app code. Unfortunately, this frame came with important stuff like a title bar and controls for the window. Now it's up to you to include this functionality. On the other hand, now you have the opportunity to add more controls to the window frame, which is becoming more and more popular. By the way, there is a word for this consistent UI frame around the main UI, which is Chrome. Not to be confused with the Chrome browser, which is just Google being clever with the name of their browser, since browsers, all web browsers, are the canonical example of apps that are just UI Chrome around a Webview UI. So instead of just having the option of framed or frameless, what if we separated the Chrome from your app in Apptron? This is an optional experimental feature of Apptron Windows, letting you define the Chrome or window frame for your app using a separate HTML file. This way you can skin, theme, or otherwise customize your windows using CSS in a more decoupled, reusable way. In fact, it opens up pre-built skins, like these built-in Chrome options paying homage to earlier eras in computing. Let's take a look at making our own Chrome for Apptron. This Chrome is a minimal, flat theme, so we can see the essential parts of a Chrome page. It's mostly inline CSS and then a few elements. Standard window controls and title bar are defined by adding special classes to elements. The main HTML element will define where to draw the window contents. Currently we use an iframe, but later we can replace this with a sub-web view at the native level. And there's nothing stopping you from creating new controls, perhaps adding controls for application layout similar to what VS Code has started to do in the top right. Or make a totally surprising window frame to torture your users. To use this Chrome via the API, just give a relative Chrome URL to the window options. When using Apptron Run or Build, you can set Chrome URL in your Windows settings meta tag. That's all there is to it. If you want to use any of the built-in Chrome, just refer to their internal URLs. For example, here's the URL for the Windows 98 Chrome. Check out the source code on GitHub to see what others are currently available, and of course, additions are welcome. I hope this unique experimental feature of Apptron inspires you to try something different with your native windows. Whether you want your app to stand out, to add more frame controls, or just to have some fun. You can go to this URL linked below to get early access to Apptron. If you enjoy these videos, or this one in particular, like, subscribe, or even better, share this video with a web developer friend. I'd like to thank my GitHub sponsors for supporting all this work, and thank you for watching.